Hi, boys and girls. So I made two problems. Excuse my bad handwriting. So the first problem is write this number in expanded form. Okay. So this, remember, is called standard form. If they're giving it to us like a regular number, like we see everywhere, it's standard form. But they want it in expanded form. So I'm going to show you an easy way for us to do this. And we can call this the pizza, okay? Because it kind of looks like a pizza when we're done with it. So first, I'm going to just put a line here, okay? And the line is just to help me. So once I do that, I'm going to take my first digit, which is the 1. I'm going to put it down, and everything after the 1 is going to become a 0. So 0, and I have to put the commas. 0, 0, 0, comma, 0, 0, 0, okay? Then I go to the next digit, the 3. I'm going to take it down in the same place that it's already at, okay? And everything else is going to become a 0. Remember, we do not forget our commas, okay? Then I go to the 2. I'm going to put it down right under it, and everything else becomes a 0. Don't forget the commas. Now, when we get to a 0, we're not going to do anything with it. We're going to skip it, leave it alone, because we cannot expand 0. There's nothing to expand. So I'm going to skip it, and I'm going to go to 6. I'm going to take my 6 down. Don't forget the commas. Everything becomes a 0. Go to the next one, 2. Everything becomes a 0. There's no commas. Go to the 4. Everything becomes a 0. And remember, I don't do the zeros. And that is how you write it in expanded form. Okay? So you have all of these numbers. Okay? So now let me go to the second one. Let's say that they're giving us a number in expanded form. This is it. Okay? We have all these numbers, and they want us to put it in standard form. And standard form is this, the regular number. Okay? So this is super duper simple. What we're going to do is we're going to add them all. Okay? But when we are adding numbers, we need to make sure that they are aligned, because that could really mess us up. So the first number, and I always go to the biggest. The first number they're giving me is this. Okay, 20 million. So I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to put 20 million. Okay. And if it helps you, you can even scratch it out. That way you don't get confused. Next one, I have 600,000, and I'm going to align it. Okay. And when I mean by align, I mean this number is perfectly aligned with the number on top. Okay, cross it out. Next, I have 12,000, and I'm going to align it. So 12,000, and I can cross it out. Next, 3,000, cross it out. Next, 700, cross it out. Next, 80, cross it out. Next, 4. Okay, cross it out. So now all I have to do is add all of this. Okay, and so when I add it, I get 4. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 7 is 7. Bring down my comma. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 2 plus 3 is 5. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 6 is 6. Bring down my comma. Bring down the 0. Bring down the 2. And that is the number in standard form.